friends. This is the song Isn't He in the key of G. Make sure to stop the video, and if you click on the description below, I have the printable chord sheet that you can print out, and it'll make a lot more sense as we go through this. All right, so in this song, it's pretty simple. We just have G, C, D, and then we have an E minor chord. So let's go through those chords. If you look for this group of 3 black notes, the G note is tucked just in between those. So line up your 5 fingers and play every other note. G, B, D, and you're playing a G major chord there, okay? All right, move up here to this group of 2 black notes, and the C is just to the left of that. C, E, G is C major chord, okay? Then move up 1 set of notes and then pick up this black note in the middle, and you're playing D, F sharp, A, okay? And it's kind of like this triangle shape. Hopefully that helps you if you can just imagine that being a shape. Okay, and then when you're after the D, let's learn the E minor, which is just 1 set of notes after it, okay? E, G, B. Okay, and let's go ahead and figure out what our left hand is going to be doing. So our right hand, that's it. I guess we should review. We can play G chord, C, D, and then our E minor. Okay. All right, left hand is going to be playing single notes. So we're just playing pinky on G, and you're going to line up your 5 fingers, and then you can kind of camp out this hand the whole song without moving it. So when we play a G chord up here, we're going to play just a single G note there. Okay? G to G, C to C, D to D, and then E minor. We're just going to play E in the bass, and notice how I just open my thumb 1 note. Just swing it open, play that E when you play the E minor. All right, so let's talk about the rhythm that's going to bring the 2 hands together. This song is written in 4/4 time signature. So it's a rhythm I call together, right, together, right, together, right, together, right. It's a really great way to just add into songs that are 4/4 time. Or 1-to-2 ratio. I also use that terminology. So if we go, I'm going to sing through verse 1 so you can hear how it's going to sound, because this is just 4 verses that repeat over and over. So there's nothing new once we learn verse 1, okay? All right, so let's go and add in the vocals here. Isn't he beautiful? Beautiful. Prince of Peace, Son of God, and isn't he? Okay, you're just noticing I'm doing this together, right, together, right, together, right, together, right. So practice that on your lap, practice that on the keyboard, practice that just on the same chord over and over, because that'll give you just a good foundation to play this song. Beautiful, isn't he? Okay. All right, so let's just break it down even slower so you can play along with me. And if bringing 2 hands together is too complex, just remove the left hand, play right hand only. But notice, verse 1, 2, 3, 4, they're the exact same chords, all right? So it's the same pattern. All right, so let's go slower and go through verse 1 here. Isn't he? Chord, beautiful. Move to the G, beautiful. C, isn't he? Back to the G. Prince of Peace. Okay, move to the E minor. You're just swooping open your left thumb here. Son of God. Move to the C, isn't he? Repeats over and over and over. So you could do it. I'm going to play it beginning to end. Go back to that beginning if you need a little help. Remember, just baby steps. Remove the left hand altogether. Just go through the right hand. Maybe just block through the whole chords just so you can get your hand and basically your brain just connecting like, okay, this is what I'm going to do next. G, then the C, the G, then the C. And you could do it. All right. Have a lot of fun. Here you go.
Isn't he beautiful, beautiful, isn't he? Prince of Peace, Son of God, isn't he? Isn't he wonderful, wonderful, isn't he? Counselor, Almighty God, isn't he? Yes, you are beautiful, beautiful, yes you are. Prince of Peace, Son of God, yes you are. Yes you are. Wonderful, wonderful, yes you are. Counselor, Almighty God, yes you are, yes you are, yes you are. Isn't he beautiful, beautiful?